Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not showing in Windows 10 or Windows 11. I have 3 simple solutions for you, so let's start. Solution 1. First, search for Control Panel and open it. Now, click on Network and Sharing Center. Next, click on Change Adapter Settings. Here, you will see Wi-Fi. Right-click on it, and select Enable. That's it, your Wi-Fi should appear now. Solution 2. If the first method doesn't work, try this. Search for Settings and open it. Click on System. Scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Now, click on Other Troubleshooters. Here, find Network and Internet and click Run. Windows will automatically detect and fix Wi-Fi issues. Solution 3. If the problem is still there, try a full network reset. Click on Network and Internet. Now click on Advanced Network Settings. Then click on Network Reset. Finally, click Reset Now. Your PC will restart and Wi-Fi will be back.